Hi everyone, welcome to my video on the adjustable wrench, and I'm here in the fourth bay of my garage with a 2-ton engine hoist is going to assist me today on the how to use an adjustable wrench. So first of all, here we go. Here's just a random adjustable wrench, and we've got the handle right here, and this is the fixed jaw because it doesn't move. The movable jaw as it moves, and here's the adjustable screw, and you just either pull it up or down. And how I like to do this is I hold it in my hand and use my thumb either out or in. So let's put this wrench on a nut, and here we go. Right here, and all you want to do is adjust it so it fits. There we go. And to tighten, we'll go clockwise, and to loosen is counterclockwise, and you just keep going. Want to tighten it, loosen it, and if you've got a really stubborn one, something you can do is grab a metal bar, breaker bar, cheater bar. Just any metal tube will do as long as it fits over the handle. And what this is going to do is give you added torque, added force. So you're able to get, but don't drop it like that. So you'll be able to get more force if you need to. And if you're doing extra force like this, you want to make sure that the full force is pressing on the full force will be pressing on the fixed jaw instead of the movable jaw. You want to have that force, because otherwise you could snap the movable jaw off. I've seen it done. It's not fun. And anyway, so that's our basic adjustable wrench, and this is called a crescent wrench. It's got the crescent, and there's also variations for this. Some variations along the same vein would be like channel locks. I mean, they adjust basically anything that adjusts sizes. So channel locks or pipe wrench would be another variation. So thank you, English class, for watching my video. Bye.